That's a long dragon, everyone. A long dragon.
A long dragon.
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 Okay, so look at this. This is super simple. It's basically here it's 4 sheets of paper that you assemble to get a dragon. You have the head, everyone. The head.
The head.
The body.
The body.
And the tail.
The tail.
So, if you have 22 kids, you will print 1 of each and 20 of these. So you can have a long dragon. And of course, everyone is gonna color it and make it super pretty. So we can use any color we want. Ready to do it?
Yes.
Go super fast. Okay, well, let's see how our long dragon comes along. Ooh, let's put it together. Nice. Now, we have this. It's super nice. But the main thing is to play games associated with this. If you want, you can take a look at the dragon's tail, where everyone makes a long dragon and you have to catch the tail of the dragon. Or you can just have a which order race, or where is the head, where is the tail, etc, etc. So many things to do with this, but the fun part is to make something really long if you have a lot of kids. Have fun with this. Bye everyone.
Bye bye.